Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace the detergent dispenser in this KitchenAid dishwasher, you will need a T15 Torx bit, a small flathead screwdriver, and pliers. Before you begin the procedure, turn off the power to the dishwasher. Open the dishwasher door and use the T15 Torx bit to unthread the 8 side screws and the top right screw, holding the inner and outer door panels together. Unthread the top right door latch screw last. With the screws unthreaded, you can lift the outer door panel up to detach. Disconnect the user interface wire connector and detach the wire retainer so you can set the outer door panel aside. Next, depress the tab to disconnect the dispenser wire connector. Use the small flathead screwdriver to bend the dispenser retaining tabs outward. You can now remove the old detergent dispenser. Before you install the new detergent dispenser, use the pliers to bend the retaining tabs inward. Now position the dispenser in the inner door panel from the inside and press until it snaps into place. Connect the wire connector. Reinstall the outer door panel by first connecting the user interface wire connector and securing the wire retainer. Make sure the console seal is in place. Then slide the side edges of the outer panel behind the retaining brackets. Then lift the panel up to join it with the inner door panel. Rethread the screws to secure. The top right door latch screw should be threaded first. That screw and the 2 upper side screws are longer than the 6 remaining side screws. With all the screws secured, turn the power supply back on, and the dishwasher should be ready for use.